The Gombe State Internal Revenue Service has sealed off the office of mobile telecom giant MTN over alleged tax default as part of the state government's ongoing effort to boost internally generated revenue. Officials say the enforcement became necessary as the company allegedly owes over 20 million in outstanding taxes. Hassan Koli reports.
It was quite but decisive operation as officials from the Gombe State Internal Revenue Service (GIRS) arrived at the MTN office along Bubashongo Road in Gombe City. Without resistance, the premises was sealed with enforcement notices placed at the entrance citing non-compliance with state tax obligations.
Every time when we bring this, we call this book single demand notice. So if we bring you this single demand notice, it carries days and time. So when the time lapses, you didn't pay, you fall into tax defaulters. That's why we call them tax defaulters. That they refuse to pay their tax. So when we come to that place, actually we shut down or we close down the place until they go and pay. Then we come and reopen the business for them.
According to sources within the GIRS, the action followed several failed attempts to get the telecom giant to settle its tax liabilities. Authorities say the office will remain sealed until the outstanding 20 million is paid.
Default now some amount of 21 million and some amount which I cannot specifically answer, but they have 21 million naira. There is no specific time that we can now tell now, but immediately if they cooperate or if they went to pay their tax due, we can immediately come and open their business for them to continue with their activities.
When approached for comment, some staff members of MTN Gombe office declined to speak, stating that they were not authorized to address the issue. The development has sparked concern among customers who rely on the office for SIM registration, reactivation, and network-related services. Some were seen turning away after discovering the gates were locked. Gombe State has recently intensified its enforcement of tax laws, focusing on corporate defaulters in a bid to show off revenue. As at time of filing this report, the MTN office remained sealed, even as the Gombe State Internal Revenue Service vowed to go after more defaulters in the coming weeks. Hassan Koli, Trust TV News, Gombe.